some milk. Hello everyone, welcome to Mocktail Plaza. I'll tell you how to make Rose Blast Mocktail. First of all, take a shaker glass and you have to add some ice cream into the shaker glass. Then you have to squeeze on lemon. Just squeeze on lemon or lime. Then you can pour some orange slices. Then you have to pour some rose syrup and simply you have to add 60 ml of cranberry juice. Don't add more. That's it. 60 ml of cranberry juice. Then shake all the ingredients properly. Then take a tall glass and pour all the ingredients into the tall glass. Then simply fill the glass with Sprite and soda. This is the Rose Blast Mocktail. You can try. Garnish with umbrella and then and some milk. Your rose blast mocktail is ready. It's very fancy mocktail. You can try replace for mocktail. I hope you like this mocktail. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel.